See, I ain't gonna lie. If I ever run across one of these for the low, I'm gonna get it. I think. Let me see. Oh yeah, she rear-wheel drive. If I ever run across one of these, my grandma used to have one. 5th Avenue. If I ever run across one of these, LSY, baby. You gotta find me one for about 500 or something. Clean too. Look at that. Look at that pillow top. Pillow top. Riding comfy. Old school. Alright, give me one of them. Big Escalade. I know he actually be a guy. And a 5-point tree. Looking for a little pressure switch. A little pressure switch for the AC. I pretty much, well, I need to look at a Mercedes too. Get some bulbs out of it. Some low beam bulbs. Let me look it up on my phone. Actually, there's one right there. They ain't got the headlights in it. You gotta get the low beam bulbs. $2012. 300. Let's see what we got here. You done cut all the harness off. See if we can find another one. I wasn't gonna do no video today. Said might as well while I'm in here, especially when I seen that when I seen that 5th Avenue. Getting a little warm out there too. Keep looking at, cut y'all on when I find another car. All right. The beam are clean, huh? Clean the beam. Got all the wheels on it. Ain't even banged up for real. Wow. 2 doors. Somebody got the mold out already. Y'all see it though. Let me keep looking. I'ma holler at you, baby. Babe. Alright, gang, so this is one thing that we went to go get. That pressure switch. Only thing is, I did get the AC charged up. It's working, but the belt jumped off, so I gotta try to maybe adjust it, because the tension ain't doing much. But to try to get a bigger pulley for that tensioner, or I could swap out the bracket. So that's the problems that we having with that. We just gotta tie these here wires to the sensor, but I actually had wire nutted them together just to get the AC going. Well, like I said, the belt did jump out the compressor. You might have too much slack. I could actually look at it. We could look at it together to see exactly what it's doing. I should have wired it up in that switch just to see if it was working. But for now, let's just see what she was doing. I'll see if it's gonna hot back off there. Y'all see I pulled the floor up, carpet up on this side. It really got one hole right there, but the main thing is, first I need to see where there's water coming in there. It might be coming down right there. I know I'm leaking in the corner of that glass, and I'm sure that window got a seal. Be adjusted. Check out that belt. I gotta put my high pressure switch on. She blowing cold though. It's cheap with this belt doing. pressure switch wire to the blowing nice and cold too. So I gotta work on that belt. I'm gonna have to do something about that belt, gang. Car running good too. I'm putting it on the road in a couple weeks. I'm going for an hour and a half drive to go get a dyno or two, one of the two. Look at that. Look, codes, none. Read, no codes, baby. See that? So the belt tight right now. When I put that compressor on, it gets slack. Actually, it gets slack. Yeah, I might have to get that other bracket up. So y'all see what's going on. So I might order that other bracket, but before I ordered it, I'm gonna see what I can do. Maybe I could put that compressor in a good bit to be able to get that thing tight. So I had to adjust this here bracket and swing it that way with that tensioner. I could get it working. So y'all see, I done pulled the old 400 small block Chevy off the old Trans Am, gang. Y'all see it. Put it on the market for $200. Somebody supposed to be coming and get it. You know? I mean, it's been sitting outside without an oil pan for 30 years, gang. Look up under there. Look up under there. I mean, but the shop can probably get it straight. I think Pop's got some heads for it and all that, but now I can see what I got, you know, and work a little better. Try to get something going with this here. I'm try to get him out of there. Finish putting the transmission together I got over there. I think we're gonna start cutting and grinding, baby. So it's what it is, man. Just trying to do a little something, a little bit at a time, y'all. Comment, like, share, subscribe. And thank y'all for tuning in. We got him.